very good day to all traders and viewers. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis on Euro Dollar, on the daily chart, it have showed the first spike above the previous high. Head down to the 4-hour chart. Market has confirmed a bullish movement, so well supported at 1.1253. So within this buy zone, at this price, this range, I'm looking for a buying opportunity, and of course, further down at a lower entry price at 1.1112 will be the completion of the shark pattern should the market retrace from the this high price at point C. Alright, so head down to 1-hour chart. You can see that this bullish market, it has break above and close above the high, and of course this buy zone still stand. So if you love analysis like this or like to see the follow through of this trade, join us this upcoming Wednesday, 6:08 Singapore time PM. We'll be doing our midweek market analysis, and of course, if you're interested to find out more how to do the analysis all by yourself, drop me a private message and I'll send you the invitation. Till then, remember always plan your trend, your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.